Hello everyone, welcome back. One of the questions I always get asked is, how do I or others find the property owner? So let's get straight in. I'll show you exactly 2 ways of how to find them. Let's carry on. So, as you can see on my screen right now, literally, I've done this full process, a bit of speed for yourselves. Open up Land Registry. It should look like this. There is other alternatives that do charge you a lot more than Land Registry do. So currently it's at £3 per search. That's where you put your postcode. So open Land Registry, number 1. Secondly, open Rightmove. This is where I'm going to pick a random property. I'm based in Stoke-on-Trent. I'm not going to choose Stoke-on-Trent because I want to make it reality. Choose an area that I don't know anything about. Also, sign up to Nimbus. If you haven't already got Nimbus, Nimbus has a free function. Get used to it, get understanding. You can get training with them and have the premium, but get on the free version first, okay? So them 3 are the main ones what you want. So go back to Rightmove. Let's pick let's go for Leicester. I'm going to choose Leicester. I haven't got a clue about Leicester, so do bear with me. So I'm on buy. I've gone on Leicester. I'm looking for, let's say, students' houses. Sometimes at the top you can pick students, but let's go search radius, I don't know. Number of bedrooms, let's go for 5. Including sold, no, we don't want that one. Property searches, we want houses. And I'm just searching for a random house. Let's have a look. Okay, so I'm just going to look through here. What I'm looking for primarily is, let's say, a student house, a 10-bed property. What's the chance that that is going to be a homeowner? So on the right, a block of self-contained flats. Okay, why not start there? 1.2 million. Wait for the page to load up. So okay, so this looks like an old pub or some sort of care home that's converted to flats. So we need to see where about this is. This is the intricate detail. If you know this area you're investing, you'll know exactly where this is. So zoom in, somewhere there, okay? A bit further, turn satellite. Just to make sure that is the one, drop your little man in the street if there is street view. There you go. You can literally go to your top, look at your picture. It's got a bit of a corner window, which could be a bit of an old-fashioned turret. It could be that house there. So you can see, and it's definitely one of these. Okay, so that's fine. Let's get the postcode. Go on view more on the right hand side. There you go. So Alley 2 3BA. Yeah. Have a quick scroll down to see if you can see any pictures that stand out that might be the same house. Because what you're looking for is the house number. Can't see nothing there. Okay. So we know it's Alley 2 3BA. Press Control and C, go onto Nimbus, type your postcode in, Control V. I'm on a Windows, not a Mac. So there you go. So you've got this list, or this viewing of property right here. Zoom in. The F is for freehold, L is for leasehold, U is for unregistered. So what we're trying to do is find that property. Okay. So then all you do is go back and go, okay, which one of these may it be? You can literally you can find it in and out, zoom in and out. So go back to one Rightmove, go back. Go on to Street View. See, sometimes what you'll find as well, agents don't always put that arrow bang on in the place, obviously for security most times. So see, it's saying that one right there, okay, the one that stands out. Go on to Nimbus again. Look for one in that street. It looks like that one. See all the row there? And all the row there. There's one in the middle. Stands out. Go back on Rightmove. Go on to satellite. Zoom in. There you go. You can literally see the 2 roofs go left. One goes north to south. That looks like the one to me. That one there, yeah, perfect. It's got an F. Nice big garden as well. I click on the F, on the left hand side it scrolls out. There you go. So it shows you the title number. Yeah? You can control copy that, go into your land registry and put that in. Postcode, go on a detailed inquiry, title number, put your number in there and press search. Let's see what comes up. There you go, it gives you number 28. All you need to do is click on the title registry. If you're not sure what these are, or your flood risk, and see it's in a flood risk zone, your title plan, look, do an example, this will show you, because it's something you can forget about. It shows you exactly. I'll also click, there you go, I'll also click on the example of title register, so you get two ideas. So on the title plan you can see, literally, that isn't that property, it's just showing you what happens. It'll show you a red boundary line of that property. So you might want that to see exactly if it's all the way, if the boundary goes all the way back on Nimbus, it might show that they only own part of the garden, for example there. Or they might own all of this, and that could be some garages at the back, but you can go on Street View and check that as well. So that's your registry. What you're after is a registry. It tells you the number, you've already got that. The address, you've already got that. The price they paid, because they're trying to sell it, gives you a good understanding what they paid for it. It'll give you the owners. This is the example, this isn't the one, so that's not a problem. So all you do then is get rid of these, go back to the land registry, tick the one you want, go on purchase, sign in, and then that will download the document for you as soon as you've paid. So you can see, you log in and you'll get that document. The other way, like we said, Nimbus is here. Let me get off this. I'm just going to show you an example. You can literally, if your search is in a student area, well there you go, that's perfect. You can literally go all the way down the street. So, oh, this perfect student area, or wherever it may be, or warehouse workers, HMOs, or some buy-to-lets. You might see one house going for sale on auction. You might check who owns that and see if they own any more in that street. Literally go all the way down the street. You can see now, when companies own them, it shows on the left here, 30 Springfield Management Limited. You can click on that number there, that's their company house number. You can go on company house beta and put that number in. Alternatively, click on the number, let that load, that'll take you straight to company's house. There you go, exactly what that is. You can see a lot of information from here. You can see incorporated date, 1988, they've been going quite a while. The filing history, you can see it's all been put in okay, it's all been perfect, it's all been submitted, there's nothing late. You can click on their confirmation statement, you can check their accounts, maybe check their past 3 years accounts to see if they're starting to grow their portfolio on the value, or have they got a £2 million, then a 1 million, then a £500,000. Why is their portfolio, why is their value of the business coming down? Are they looking to sell? That's a really good thing to do. So going back to Nimbus, let's just go down the street, see if there's any more. There you go, creation development. Let's click on that again, company's house. That'll take me straight to company's house. It'll show me their company name. They set up in 97, so they've been going quite a while again. They're registered offices in Leicester as well, so they could be local, or their accountants are there. You can see all their confirmation statements are all intact. As I said, you can click on their accounts. I'll let you do that if you want to. You can go on the charges as well. The 49 charges, 15 outs. You can see all the properties that they own. So some here, floating charges, some around here, London. There's a good chance these live in London or invest in London. The biggest thing is to check the people. You'll see names, addresses, corresponding address. Yeah. So that could be their accountant. Or that could be their home address. Go on person with significant control. That's not always there. You can see I've been messaging these two people. Same address, perfect. So you can see that's the way to find an owner of a property. Either if they haven't got the company number, which most investors do now because they're buying companies' names, old school investors have bought in their home name, or they got a small portfolio, they're happy, they won't buy in a company name, just their personal name, or go on land registry. So if I go over the road here, click on the F, there's no name, it says private owner, get that freehold number as I said before, go onto the land registry, put the number in and purchase the registry. So, I hope that's helped. That was two ways to find the property owner Pretty simple. As soon as you understand exactly what to search for, then websites, don't forget Nimbus, log into the free version, get to know how to do it. Contact them, they will give you some training if needs to be. They have got a premium version as well, it's not always needed, but something to look into in the future. And land registry. Just register your account on there, just for speed, and that should be everything. So I hope this has helped. Any questions, any comments, don't forget to comment below. Also, click up here, I will put some more videos on for you for help. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like and share with people who I can help going forward. So thank you very much for tuning in. I'll speak to you soon.